Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys. Today we will discuss about active and passive sentence. But let me introduce myself. My name Noval Okta Ramadhani from Offering Age. This discussion has three main objectives. First, to understand the difference between active and passive sentence. Second, to learn how to identify and construct both types of sentence. Third, to practice converting sentence from active to passive and vice versa. By mastering this, we can improve our flexibility in writing and speaking. An active sentence is one where the subject performs the action. For example, the chef cooked the meal. In contrast, a passive sentence is one where the subject receives the action. For example, the meal was cooked by the chef. The focus of active sentence is on the doer of the action, while passive sentence emphasizes the receiver. The structure of an active sentence is subject plus verb plus object. As in, she writes a letter. For a passive sentence, the structure changes to object plus to be verb plus past participle or by subject. As in, a letter is written by her. This shift changes the focus from the doer to the receiver of the action. Here are the steps to form a passive sentence. First, identify the object in the active sentence. Second, move the object to the subject position. Third, use the correct form of the to be verb based on the tense. Fourth, use the past participle of the main verb. Fifth, add by to the original subject if necessary. This process helps us construct passive sentence more easily. Here are some examples of converting active to passive sentence. The teacher teaches English becomes English is taught by the teacher. Second, they will deliver the package tomorrow becomes the package will be delivered tomorrow. Third, she is writing the report becomes a report is being written by her. This example illustrates how the sentence structure changes. Passive sentence can be applied to various tense. For example, present simple, she writes a letter becomes a letter is written by her. Past simple, he cleaned the house becomes the house was cleaned by him. Present continuous, she is reading a book becomes a book is being read by her. Understanding this help us use passive sentence in different time contexts. When should we use the passive voice? First, when the doer of the action is unknown or irrelevant, such as door was left open. Second, to emphasize the action or the receiver, as in the project has completed on time. Third, informal or academic writing to create an objective tone. So, here are some exercises to practice converting active sentence to passive. First, the company launched a new product. Second, she is preparing the presentation. Third, they will announce the result tomorrow. Fourth, the artist paint a beautiful portrait. Try converting them. I will give you 10 seconds to converting all of these active sentence to passive. Here are the answers of the exercise. First, a new product was launched by the company. Second, the presentation is being prepared by her. Third, the result will be announced tomorrow. Fourth, a beautiful portrait was painted by the artist. If you have any question about this exercise, feel free to write in the comment. Here are the key points to remember. Active sentence focus on the doer of the action, while passive sentence focus on the receiver of the action. Use passive voice when the action or receiver is more important than the doer. Mastery of both allow for more flexible communication. Thank you for your attention. If you have any question or would like to discuss further free to ask in the comment. That's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.